2025 BMW models continue to push the boundaries of luxury and innovation. From the all-new BMW 3 Series to the refreshed BMW X5 and the electrifying BMW i5 and i7, this year's lineup is designed for both driving enthusiasts and tech lovers. One of the standout highlights this year is BMW's growing commitment to electric mobility, with expanded options in the i-Series that offer exceptional range, rapid charging capability, and the brand's iconic handling dynamics. With enhanced battery performance and a focus on sustainability, the electric models offer a perfect blend of efficiency and power. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW models continue to impress. The M models such as the M3 and M5 retain their high-performance status with powerful inline-6 and V8 engines, delivering thrilling acceleration and sharp responsiveness. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system has been refined to improve grip and control, even under demanding driving conditions. For those who crave performance and everyday comfort, these cars offer the best of both worlds. Inside the cabin, BMW has raised the bar once again. The new iDrive 9 infotainment system features a cleaner interface, smarter voice recognition, and seamless integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Most 2025 BMW models come equipped with curved digital displays, ambient lighting, and high-quality materials throughout the interior, offering both driver and passengers a truly premium experience. From adjustable sports seats to advanced climate control and crystal gear shifters, everything is designed for comfort, style, and convenience. Safety and driver assistance technology have also seen improvements. BMW's Driving Assistant Professional now includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, and 3D surround view cameras for easier parking and tight maneuvering. These features are part of BMW's continued push toward autonomous driving technology, making driving safer and more relaxed, especially during long commutes. Whether you're looking at a luxury sedan, a sporty coupe, a capable SUV, or a futuristic electric vehicle, the 2025 BMW range has something for every type of driver. Each vehicle is crafted with precision, delivering not just performance but also status, comfort, and innovation. With numerous trim levels and customization options, you can tailor your BMW to match your lifestyle and personal preferences. To stay updated with the latest reviews, comparisons, and expert insights on all your favorite BMW models and more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. This is GM Auto Reviews, your trusted source for honest and comprehensive automotive content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.